3 months after retiring as the chief of the Philippine National Police, Camilo Cascolan is back in government. Presidential spokesperson Harry Roque announced Cascolan's appointment to the office of the president.
Kinukumpirma po natin na napirmahan na noong Lunes, February 22, ang appointment paper ni dating PNP Chief Camilo Cascolan, kababayan ko po yan, bilang Undersecretary sa Office of the President. Welcome aboard, Usec.
Cascolan retired from the police service in November 2020. Cascolan is the author of Oplan Double Barrel, the PNP's flagship campaign against illegal drugs. He is a member of the Philippine Military Academy Sinagdala class of 1986, along with Senator Bato de la Rosa and former PNP chiefs Archie Gamboa and Oscar Albayalde.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.